Hi guys, I'm here. Vida's here. And Vida's here. So, mag-tutorial sa ako. Okay? Natay ko a knife. Then, sa. So, mag-tutorial sa ta guys ha. Hindi mo makita yung dagway. Anak na lang. So, natay potatoes diri. Makita ninyo ang potatoes. Nagtanaw si Kudays kay na may langgam. Makita ninyo ang potatoes diha. Hiwaon ni nato siya guys. Kay bali ang kanin siya which is another plant of potatoes. So let's cut this. Para you got 2 potatoes, okay? In 1 potatoes you got 2. It depends kung it's like that. Sorry, it's like that. Okay, so you can plant that. So let's put this in here. Right, then let's proceed to the next. So this one is just one only, no, but I can see in here, so let's cut that too. So let's make 2 of this. So I got 2. That's how you plant your potatoes. So this one, as you can see, it's plenty now. This one is 1 potatoes and this one is another, like this, but it's too small here, but that's fine, you can still cut that. Let's cut that like that. You suppose na amo ko ikuan guys, diri ra tang cut. Okay, so here's the potatoes. That's 2 now. Cut na to ikat. Oh, okay, I got in here. Oops, I got in here. Look at that. How many is that? Hala. You can cut in here. Let's cut this in here. Yep. Oops. Okay, that's another potatoes. Let's cut that. Oh, diba? And then let's cut this again. Look at that, how many potatoes we got today. So let's cut that in here. Yep. Let's cut this. Oh, another. So next, okay, we got in here. We got here too. So let's cut both. In 1 potatoes guys, you got 4 or 3 or 2. It depends. Okay, if you got a big potatoes, you can cut many as you can. If you can see the sprouting like this. Okay, this one I got 1 only, so let's still cut because I saw a little bit in here. Let's cut that. Then let's plant. Okay, next is look, my potatoes from last year is too small. Oh, just like this. Oh, it's plenty. Oh, see, you can see that. So let's cut that. Let's cut this in here. Oh, another, and let's cut this in here. So okay, so this lang i-plant guys. Alright, I got in here. Oh, they're ready na. I just put this out in the ground, the whole one, because it's too small. Okay, and I got here. Oh, look at that. It's still good. I some of the small I put it together just like this. Okay, and here's the other one, and here's the other one also, so we can cut that. So we got 2. Okay, we got 2 potatoes. All right. Okay, So that's my tutorial for today. Oh, oh. It's plenty. But this one I don't want to cut it now because it's already just one. I can't separate some, so they're put together. So just one. It depends, guys, huh? Na, oh, just like this. Oh, as you can see, they got other one, so we can cut half of it. So you got 2 potatoes growing. Alright. Slowly, slowly. Kay, kasi maputol ng atong kamot. Okay. You got 2 potatoes now. Alright. And I got still in here. Oh, I got plenty. So let's put that together. I got one in here, guys. Nothing. So just one. So we just leave that. Yep, we just leave that. Oh, just like this also, just one. So we just leave that too. Look at that. Look at the small, the small potatoes. Yeah, the other one. Oh, so we can put that together. I got here also. Just a minute. See. Let's put it together. Oh, I got one. Yep. Mostly I got 1 or 2. Oh, this one we can cut 2, guys. Look at that. Okay, we can separate this in here. So you got 2 potatoes growing. Okay. Oh, that's our potatoes. It's yellow. So here's another. Look at this. How many is that? 3, no. You can cut 3 or 2. It depends to you. But I cut 2 only, guys. Okay. It's too small. They're just so small. This is ang i-grow today. Potatoes. Oh, look at this. Look at that. That's so cute. Oh, look at that, diba? So here's the other one. So they're looking good, guys, like I should. Oh, this one, guys, ato nisang i-cut of 2. Kaya just so 1, 1, and 2. Okay, so let's cut that. That's how you grow potatoes, guys. I got 1. Just leave that. And I got 1 again. I got 2. Let's cut that. Let's cut it. Okay. You can cut like that, guys. Okay. Depende na gud sa pagkatin jo. Daghan na. Diba? Dapat yung si 1. So ato ni isang i-leave together. Holy cow. Oh no. I don't know if that's still growing now. Wow, just 1 ra, guys. And here, cut this, cut here. So we got 3. Let's make 3 only. Okay, that's tomatoes, potatoes, potato. That's potato. Potato. Oh, wow, look at that. So it's time for growing outside. Dili pa si guys, pero I decided na akong ibutang siya sa gawas. I need to plant outside them na. So that's what I decided. It's because, guys, ako may season sprouts dire, sayang sini. Pero sigurato ra siya ikuan duha ay kanang buo. Kay usara man siya usara wa diri na wa usara na. Then na diri usara pud na siya. So let's put that one okay. Kani guys, kana George for sure. To dyan siya. Okay. So maitong na tayo guys. So dira naman. Tara. Nag atong mga potatoes guys. Oops. Come on. Na, sayang mo siya sa ato nang i-put together. All of it no. Okay. So, natay onion dire from last year. Ang onion nga last year. So, naata dire guys. So, ato nang ibutan dito sa ahong kuanan butang ag sprouts ba ipasidlingan. So ato nang ibutang dito. So you just leave it in here. Then from last year po na ako'y peanut. So let's grow peanut too. Okay, so that's all the potatoes that I need to grow in the ground. As you can see, the gag sprouting. Alright, so the next is what? Magdig pa ta guys, kay we're not done yet. Okay, let's dig. Ito na lang iato bang. Okay, it's time to dig again. Okay, you can go. Honey, look at what I got. Potatoes in the ground.
Look at here, honey.
What? What is that?
Primer bulb.
Okay, so that's the one that you got.
That's the one. It's pretty easy to take out.
Oh.
Nasty inside, man. I cleaned her all up.
Okay. Yeah, you can go. You just leave me in here.
Go pick this.
All right. Ulakaw na siya guys. Pagsuot ang gloves. Hindi na siya pwede pa magsuot ang gloves. Pero mag-wear gloves. Depende lang muna ni mo god. Ganahan baka mag-gloves o ganahan dili. Depende rin na ni mo. Pero aga ko sahay guys, hindi ako mag-gloves, which is no big deal for me. Yeah. Ano siyang gidig guys, kay ang potatoes kinahanglan siya og soft nga soil. Yes, itong potatoes need soft soil. Honey! Nay! Hala guys, sarang nakuha. Ang nakuha na. Kita mo, ang nakuha. What did you do in here? Huh? Ang bantok na guys. Ang bantok siya, kita garo dikin naman. Garo dikin naman dada ba? Sudah masih bisa lihat guys. Ano mo siguro sa guys? Lakaw na. Ano kung ikaw na may lakaw dito kay basic ko. Kasi jaray mo lakaw guys. Uy guys, street ba gang diba? Street ba? Di mo no. Pero na diri. Ano ni sidang tarawon guys? Street kan nato. Tingnan siya street di ay. Ini silang ibutan diri. Naapa rin siya. Naapa. Dada. Okay, naikuan gold. Di bitaw, baw sa ni guys. Ako nakita. Nay, you can lock at the front.
Huh?
You just lock at the front.
What about the front?
You lock.
Oh, I ain't worried about it.
Okay.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'll text you, so keep your thing on because it'll be up for the next.
All right. Don't call me, huh? Don't call me. Ramis apam. Pam pam pam. Pam pam pam. As in guys, arang ganahan siguro sa hangkuan guys. Soil karon kay daghana gid si everybody's happy in my garden. Yeah. Yes, because I got plenty of nagpira mga dahon-dahon pa diri ba? So they're enjoying my garden. No, lagi. Yeah. Naman lagi ng gamay sila guys. Ha, ng gamay, gamay. Sinay nagtawag na ako guys sa likod. Nada na sila o kanang traits ba? Or nagpapansin. Nagpapansin na sila guys. Ano sana dito? Hadakon. Wala lagi sa dakuan diri ni. Gahi lagi. Bak bisa lagi. Biar bikin ng lambot. Gahi dito. Guys, ano po guys? Ha? Ada po wow. Pang fish. Pang fishing na. Nagkuha. Idag. Idag. So, para siguro ni. Ako yung po. Ito. Ito na guys. Ito na guys. This guys. Araga street food pura budang. Dili kani ko ang street ta. Ang tanawon ha. Yang dibuhat. Ala na gahi ka sa gamay. Namay pala guys, namay pala nga dako ba. Ako pagiton ha. Sa dire sa ta. Ako dire pagiton. Kung sa Zakay Street. Okay? So na katong potatoes guys. Talagang gibuhat. Kung sa Zakay Street no. Dire na, dire. Ano ta. Pagamay na. Dire na. Tanawa, arang pagamay siya guys. So, ato ni siya ang butangan pa dire kana diha. Alright. Holy cow. I'm done. I'm done. So, nara, oh. Okay. Nara. Yak.
Okay, honey,
What?
we're ready to go.
Okay, good luck.
Let me see how well it starts.
Okay, good luck. I don't know. Okay, guys, nahuman ako. Yes. Alright, nahuman ako. So magbutang ko ron og fertilizer dire sa down. Yeah, para indot sila sa aron banhang dada. So guys, now magbutang na ko og fertilizer dire, dinahan na sang ibutang. Okay, so let's do it. Alright, so guys, magbutang na ko og fertilizer. Okay, depende kung sino fertilizer ka. Apa ni fertilizer isda. Fertilizer guys. So mo to. Ano guys? Okay. Nagkaman na tong tanom is ato sang salibuan. Okay, it's time to go.
Way to go, honey.
Way to go.
Go, please.
Yes. Duduk. Oh, kita nisok. Sorry, guys, ito nag-sausa guys. Nag-sausa guys. Nang ito. Nag-sausa. Terus na. Terus kumoy. Nang kumoy. Napa. Dito kumoy. Sige, natin kumoy guys. Kumoy. Wag na po. Kasi na po mga gagmay, gagko. Kani, bakit nagkuban sa mga gagmay. Ang tayo mga gagko diri. Ang panghiwa. Kaya ani panghiwa. So katong mga panghiwa tong unahon. Tanim. Pindahan ka. Okay? Okay? Okay. Para dako ang kwan ba. Kampatan. Dito to sa pikas. At tulog to pikas. Na guys, ang laban. Itong isodre sa itong kwan di. Ang isodre guys, ha? Okay, para di na ako magbalik-balik. Kapoy ka na. Balik-balik. So, taran sa itong kuhan. Dito na. Alright? Okay, it's time. Other side. Init guys, init. Yeah, init. Ay, dako. Apa guys? Bawa ko human. Big ko panibag okay. Tay pagbutangan. Ato na si Jan nagbutangan. Okay. So napatay, nabilin. Napatay na nabilin guys. Okay. Dapat na naman sa daan kuan guys. Daghanon ba nato ba?
Okay, honey.
Yeah.
I'm trying something I ain't tried in 15 years.
Okay. Double? Sige, good luck to you.
See, I'm gonna get my boots on.
Alright.
Let's give it a shot and see what happens.
Yes.
I've never tried it.
Okay. Oh. Ano si Jana? Ang potatoes. Diba? Yep. That's how I grow potatoes. Oh, you can see it now. Na, daghan na dito. Atong itagusaw na. Potatoes, 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 potatoes. Okay? Siyempre, na po dito spikas, guys. Uy, murag narabay nagkuhan, naglangan. Nanay budyog, guys. Yaktag dako. Ngaway kuan. So, napakoy lain, guys. So, ako rin siyang i-continue padong dire. Okay? So, for today is the day of my life. Tara! At kanina po, ito na siya mag-dig na po dire. Okay? It's time to dig. Okay. Di na ako ipakita, guys, ha? Alright. That's it for today's video. Bye, guys! Hi, Jack. Oh, see? Alright. Bye, guys. Okay, it's time to tabon-tabon, guys. Alright. It's time to tabon-tabon. Both sides. Yeah, both sides.
One side's totally gone.
Oh my goodness.
Totally gone, honey.
Oh my god. Yeah, I see that.
Okay, I'll go down to one.
One.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Oh. It's easy now. It's easy to cut me. If you do
But it's
two
old,
string.
honey.
Ah,
It's old.
yeah, correct.
This string is 20 years old.
Okay, nalagatong potatoes. Potatoes na to diha, okay? So, mara to guys. Potatoes. Okay, it's time to salibo, guys. Ito na akong dili.
Hey, honey,
Yes.
there's a string right next to you.
Where? Ah, okay, I can see it now. Isok seasonin to, guys, ha. Pag water kay kuan kanang sayangan anak. Isok rin to water kay ang sayangan anak kanang kinahanglan deep siya i-grow ibutang, okay? Mura siya kuan murag 3 to 4 ra anak yung i-deep. Yung pagkahuman daghanon din sa tubig, okay? So tara, mag-water pa ta.
Oh, honey, look.
What is that? Holy cow!
Must be out of gas.
Oh!
I didn't like that.
Yeah, I know. Terus mana? Okay, so water more. More water. Okay, more water. So, okay guys, done. Ito, bye tanan.